everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're just having a great day. We went to Vancouver today to go to Hermes. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Bag of the day is my 1994 Special Edition Speedy 25 in Bodeo Green. Pretty cool bag. It's in excellent condition. This is what I use. So it was raining today, and Epi leather is great in the rain. So, all right, so let's see what we got from Hermes. All right, they gave me a catalog. Pretty cool. So I'll be looking forward to looking through that. All right. And we got our receipt. Comes in a white little deal there. All right, Ted's birthday is Sunday, so I got him a Terre de Hermes. So that's what he picked out for his birthday gift. And this has 100 mLs. So that's what he picked up for his birthday. And let's see what else. And I picked up nail polish. And this is in magenta. Let's see what it says here. I think it's pink magenta, but let me just double check. Oh, rose magenta. Rose magenta. So if you're interested in that. And my lipstick is from Clinique 02 Melon. And it's in the chubby stick. So there you go. All right. Go like that. And my refill that I wanted, they didn't have any refills. They didn't have any refills whatsoever. So the nail polish comes in a box like that. You just pull it out. And that's the color. So that should be pretty. So I'll be trying that soon. And they did give me a few samples. And they're pretty good. All right, it goes in a box like that. Okay, that's what that looks like. And let's see what they gave me here. They didn't give me all the samples that I wanted, but they gave me quite a few. And another tip, if you go to Hermes, you can email them first before you go. Let them know you're going to be coming, like I let them know we're going to be coming today. And what you're looking for, and they will find it for you if they have it. And they will put it aside, and then when you come in, it's all ready to go. So, yeah, they're real good about that. And when I walked into Hermes, it was pretty funny because there's like a bunch of sales associate like waiting to help you, right? And then they have all these guards like surrounding Hermes inside, right? So, so it was like when I went, I go, hi, how's everybody doing? Blah, blah, blah. And welcome to Hermes. We're so happy to see you. Yeah, okay, thank you. So it was pretty cool.
That's for that.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's the last one.
Cool. All right, here's your birthday gift.
Oh my God, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ted got his birthday gift. All right, this is Rose Indian. Okay, that's the sample they gave me. And they put them in these little boxes. They go like that. Now, if Ted gets a sample, he has to have a box. I'm okay without the box. But he's pretty, gotta be pretty thing there. All right, this is Beige Natural. That's a nice color. And they gave me Rose Bray. That's nice. Beige Natural. And they gave me Rose Mexique. Oh, they did have it in the sample. That's the one that was missing. But they didn't have it in the refill. So I may have to look online and see if they have it online maybe. And then maybe I'll just have to order it that way. But yeah, so that was pretty nice. That was the lipstick samples that I want to try. All right, and then they gave me some perfume samples that come in a sample box like that. You just pop it off there. All right. They gave me this one, which was nice. This is Rose and Rhubarb. It smells a lot like grapefruit, but it smells really good. But it's very expensive, as everything else. All right, but that may be my next thing. All right, what else did they give me? They gave me H24, that's for Ted. Okay, so he gets a sample. And they gave me Twilly Ginger, and that smells really good. So yeah, so this right here, I think is going to be my next perfume. So I may get that for my birthday, maybe in February. All right, so that is my Hermes unboxing. Have you guys got anything from Hermes? Did you have any funny thing to, were you greeted? Were you, were they stuffy to you? Because Hermes isn't normally very friendly. But Vancouver, they're super friendly to me. So, and then another cool thing is I did see a Mini Kelly in, it's like a gray color, and they said it was Gris, like Gris maybe. So yeah, it's very small though. That bag is, yeah, that's way too small for me. However, I would, even if I had the money, yeah, I couldn't spend that kind of money on a bag. That's, I don't know. I just, it's like some things you cannot, you just can't do it. Like, I don't know, but yeah, what do you guys think? Would you spend $20,000 on a bag? I don't know. I don't think I could do it personally. But who knows? All right. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share is always appreciated. Till next time, stay safe. Bye now.
Small lot.